Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, it's me. I am Faisal Khatami and I am PR student of Bina Sarana Informatika University. In this video, I will fulfill my assessment in meeting 2. So, let's get started. Part 1. Complete this dialogue. So, thoughts. I hear that you're from San Francisco and that really expensive there. Maybe to live, is it? Is that true? Yeah, it's ridiculous expensive. It's obscene actually. It's too hard to get other people to realize how expensive it is. You have to actually live there and then you can experience it firsthand. But basically, average mall in apartment is a minimum. Minimum is like $3,000 a month. Wow, that sounds really expensive. Yeah, well, so I don't know much about the San Francisco area. Is that like just in the main downtown part or anywhere in the city is that expensive? It's actually, yeah, it's pretty much the entire peninsula. And the high printing effect all of Northern California. And the reason is because companies like Facebook, Google, Apple, Yahoo, Cisco, and all the really big rich company pay people a lot of money. And so there's a lot of money in San Francisco for the tech world. And that just drive up the prices for everything. So everyone who live there like must be pretty rich. Yeah, so it's very high income I think. The average income is over $100,000 a year or something crazy like that. Wow, yeah, it's a lot. So if apartment are $3,000 a month, what about the house? Houses are ridiculously expensive. So your average house is probably in San Francisco, a really small rinky house can go for almost $1 million. Wow, sounds impossible. Yeah, it sounds obscene. Years ago, I worked on the construction crew, and this was 15 years ago, and we were just renovating or painting a very small little shack. I mean, the house was even that big, and it was going for $1 million. Wow. So, when you were working there, were you living in San Francisco also? I was, and that's actually why I became a teacher in Asia. Why I moved to Japan. Because we were losing a relays on our apartment and I go find a new housing. And not only is the house expensive, but even if you have money, you might not get a house because you have to go through this long process. It's almost like getting into college. You have to get through this interview process, and just going and finding an apartment is such a complicated process in San Francisco. There I thought, oh, I forget it. I'm just going to take the easy way out and go back and start teaching overseas again. So, if someone were interested in living in San Francisco, what would your advice be? Don't, or make sure you have a lot of money or you have a really good job. I guess there are some ways around it. You can rent rooms on thing like that, but it's durable because there is low income housing, and you live in outskirts, and if you are going to commute into the city, you could probably find something around $1,500 a month, but still it's pretty expensive. So work for Google first, then move to San Francisco. Right, actually. Make sure you get a job at the tech company, and then once you have that job, then you are set. Great. Well, thanks for sharing about San Francisco. Sure. And part 2. Listen and complete each sentence. I need to earn $80 to buy some soccer equipment for school. Number two, I want to save $1,500 for a trip to Costa Rica next year. Number three, I can't afford this apartment. It costs $800 a month. Number four, that's really good deal. It's only $3 for a movie ticket there. Number five, I made a budget last night. I can spare only $6 for lunch. Number six, can I borrow $19 to buy this new folk music CD? And part D, listen and fill in the missing part. Hello, I'd like to change some money into US currency, please. Certainly. Do you have a cash or traveler check? Traveler checks. Here they are. May I see your passport, please? Of course. Let's see. That's up to $1,250. Would you like it any special denomination? I beg your pardon. How would you like your money? In 20s, 15s, or $100? $100 in 20s and the rest in $100 bill, please. And part 4, number 1, 20,016 US dollar. Number 2, 9,056,060 rupiahs. Number 3, 176 million for 1,106 rupiah. Number 4, 876,098,016,050 dollar. Number 5, 3,006,430,068 rupiah. So that's all. Thanks for watching and see ya.